All right, so tool height, I probed, let's see, this side and this side to find my stock piece, I guess. I loaded the program in Mach 3 before I went to do probing operations. Don't know if that's the correct order. It looks better, I guess, on here. Like I said, the other picture, it was like down there. So, I know I can click go to 0 and see if it will go to where it's supposed to go. I don't know if I'm supposed to click reference home before I start the G code. I guess I'll find out. Gonna look at a couple more things and then I'm gonna hit cycle start and see what happens.